Hello there, travel enthusiasts. Gordy here, your travel guide and host on this journey. Today we're going to dive into the heart of Mexico, exploring its vibrant cities and breathtaking landscapes. I have saved the best advice for last, so stick around. So buckle up as we embark on this unforgettable journey through Mexico. First stop, the heart of Mexico, Mexico City. As one of the most populous cities in the world, Mexico City is a melting pot of cultures, a city that vibrates with energy and history. It's a place where the old and the new harmoniously blend, creating a unique atmosphere that is both vibrant and nostalgic. A walk down the city's streets is like stepping into a time machine. The city's rich history is etched into every corner. Ancient Aztec temples rub shoulders with Spanish colonial cathedrals, giving you a glimpse into the city's past. The Metropolitan Cathedral and the Templo Mayor are two such places where you can witness this architectural marvel. But Mexico City is not just about history. The city is equally modern, with skyscrapers and contemporary buildings dotting the skyline. Polanco, the city's posh neighborhood, is known for its sleek architecture and upscale shopping centers. It's a place where you can experience the city's modern side. Let's not forget about the markets. The bustling markets of Mexico City are a sensory overload. The colors, the sounds, the smells, all come together to create an unforgettable experience. From the traditional Mercado de la Merced to the modern Mercado Roma, each has its own charm and character. And then there's the food. Mexico City is a food lover's paradise. From street food stalls serving up tacos and tamales, to high-end restaurants offering gourmet Mexican cuisine, the city's culinary scene is diverse and exciting. Don't miss out on trying the local delicacies like churros, quesadillas, and the famous mole sauce. Art is another facet of Mexico City that deserves a mention. The city boasts numerous art galleries and museums, including the Frida Kahlo Museum and the Palace of Fine Arts, where you can immerse yourself in the country's rich art and cultural heritage. Mexico City is truly a city of contrasts. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life coexists with quiet, historic neighborhoods. It's a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future. It's a city that's full of life, full of energy, and full of surprises. Mexico City, a place where the past and present coexist, is sure to leave you spellbound. If you have enjoyed so far, would you take a moment to like and subscribe? It helps me to understand if my videos are liked. Thanks. Next, let's head to the pristine beaches of Cancun. Imagine dipping your toes into the crystalline waters of the Caribbean Sea, the cool waves gently lapping at your feet. The beaches here are a sight to behold with their dazzling white sands that seem to sparkle under the tropical sun. But Cancun isn't just about lazing around on sun-kissed beaches. It's also a haven for water sports enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned scuba diver eager to explore the great Mesoamerican reef, just a few miles off Cancun's coast, or a newbie eager to learn how to surf, there's an adventure waiting for you here. Perhaps you'd prefer to sail across the turquoise waters on a catamaran, the wind in your hair and the sun on your skin. Or maybe you'd like to try your hand at fishing, hoping to catch a glimpse of the dazzling marine life that calls these waters home. From jet skiing to parasailing, the opportunities for aquatic adventures are endless, but the allure of Cancun's beaches extends beyond the daylight hours. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, the city's vibrant nightlife comes alive. The sound of laughter and music fills the air as beachside bars and clubs open their doors. You can dance the night away at one of the city's many nightclubs, where international DJs spin the latest hits. Or perhaps you prefer a more laid-back evening, sipping on a margarita at a beachfront bar, the moonlight dancing on the waves. And let's not forget about the incredible dining options. From fresh seafood caught daily to traditional Mexican cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal, your toes buried in the sand as you watch the sun sink below the horizon. Cancun's beaches offer more than just a place to soak up the sun. They offer an experience, a chance to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a foodie, or a party animal, there's something for everyone. Cancun's beaches are a paradise for beach lovers and party animals alike. Now we venture into the historic Mayan ruins of Tulum. Tulum, a word that in the Mayan language means wall, is a city that is as enigmatic as it is beautiful. Perched on a cliff overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, the ruins of Tulum are a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Mayan civilization. Picture this: centuries ago, this city served as a major hub for trade, particularly in turquoise and jade. As we delve deeper into the heart of Tulum, we uncover tales of a time when the city was bustling with merchants and traders, all under the watchful eyes of the Mayan gods. The ruins are beautifully preserved, with the Grand El Castillo, or the castle, serving as the centerpiece. This impressive structure, once a beacon for incoming seafarers, continues to stand tall, its silhouette etched against the sky, a silent witness to the passage of time. But Tulum is not just about the ruins, it is where history merges seamlessly with natural beauty. The city is uniquely positioned to offer panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. The scenic beauty is surreal, almost as if nature itself has conspired to create a perfect backdrop for these historic structures. The Temple of the Frescoes, one of the better preserved buildings, holds within its walls fascinating murals that offer a glimpse into the cosmic vision and religious beliefs of the Mayan people. These ancient murals, still vibrant with their original colors, tell tales of life, death, and the afterlife, as perceived by the Mayan civilization. As we walk along the ancient pathways tracing the footsteps of Mayan priests, traders, and artisans, we are transported back in time, immersing ourselves in the rich tapestry of history that is as captivating as it is complex. Tulum, in its silent grandeur, serves as a poignant reminder of a civilization that once was. It offers a window into the past while standing as a symbol of endurance and timelessness. Tulum, where history meets natural beauty, is a testament to the grandeur of the Mayan civilization. As we near the end of our journey, we find ourselves in the charming town of San Miguel de Allende. Nestled in the heart of Mexico, this magical town is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling down the cobblestone streets, each stone whispering tales of the town's rich history under your feet. These streets, with their twists and turns, guide you through the town, introducing you to its vibrant character at every corner. And then there are the buildings. Oh, the buildings. A kaleidoscope of colors. They stand tall and proud, their hues reflecting the lively spirit of the town. Each building is a canvas, painted with the love and creativity of the people who call this place home. Speaking of creativity, the art scene in San Miguel de Allende is nothing short of inspiring. Galleries dot the town, each one housing pieces that tell a story, that evoke emotion, that challenge the viewer. From traditional crafts to contemporary installations, the art here is as diverse as it is captivating. But what truly makes this town magical are the locals. Their warmth and friendliness are infectious. They welcome you with open arms, eager to share their stories and their love for their town. They are the heart and soul of San Miguel de Allende. San Miguel de Allende, with its enchanting streets and vibrant culture, will make you fall in love with Mexico all over again. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the best travel tip for Mexico. Drumroll, please. Our best tip is this: learn some basic Spanish phrases before you embark on your adventure. Now you might be thinking, why bother, Gordy? I'm only going to be there for a short while. Well, let me tell you, a little effort goes a long way. Picture this. You're strolling through one of Mexico's bustling markets, the air filled with the scent of fresh food and the chatter of vendors. You spot a beautiful handcrafted souvenir that you just have to have. Instead of pointing and nodding, imagine being able to chat with the vendor, ask about the item's history, and even haggle the price down a little. All of this in their language. Or perhaps you're lost and need directions, or you want to order a meal without pointing at the menu. Knowing a few key Spanish phrases can make these situations smoother, more enjoyable, and definitely more authentic. And let's not forget, it's a sign of respect, showing you appreciate their culture and you're not just a tourist passing through. So, hola, gracias, por favor, whoop. A few words can go a long way in making your Mexican adventure truly memorable. And that's a wrap on our journey through Mexico. Please, let's continue the adventure in the comments. Share your favorite Mexican destinations or memorable experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, adios and happy travels.